Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is HP Deskjet 3772. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 3-in-1. In the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer is using ink 65. This printer is actually from US. What I want to do is receive a question. Someone asked if you can use 305 ink to this printer. So what we want to do is to show you if it's possible for us to use ink 305 here in UK or Europe with this printer. Remember, this printer is 3772. This printer uses 65 ink cartridges in the US, but the same type of the printer 3760 or 3762 uses 305 ink here in UK. Okay, so to replace the ink, you just need to push this down for you to replace the particular ink. Okay, and this one is 65, so it uses 65 or 65 extra, 3 colors and black. Black goes to the right and colored one goes to the left. Now this ink is 305. Okay, 305. Now I want us to put this inside and this inside, close it, and you will see a warning light highlighting here showing us that the ink is not recognized. Can see the warning light. Okay, so the ink inside it is 305, so obviously you can see the warning light. And also if you check the gauge, you won't see the ink measurement. So I'm going to remove it. And this is 65. Goes in, push it upwards, close it, then keep an eye here. On the LCD you can see the light is gone off and you can see the ink measurement, ink gauge. So this is to show you that this printer uses ink 65, so you can't use 305 ink with this printer. This printer is 3772. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. So this is how to replace the ink, and also check if you can use 305 ink with this printer. Thank you.